love glitter. I love glitter. Oh my god, it's in my eye. This is bright. Mess up my hair, don't mess up my hair, please, please, please. Oh, that was cute. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a really easy, sparkly makeup winter wonderland-ish. I don't really even know what to call this look, but I wanted to do something kind of frosty and really sparkly. And I remember I had this NYX pigment that I picked up last year and only used it once, and I really liked the way it looked. So that's what's on my eyes. But if you want to see how I completed this entire simple, easy look, please keep on watching. So for today's eyeshadow base, I went in with my ColourPop concealer. This is shade number 32. And then I'm going to set it with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I use the lightest shade. Going in with my Hoola Bronzer, I'm using a fluffy brush. And as usual, I'm using my Fenty concealer buffing brush. And I'm just adding a very light layer into my crease. I'm not bringing this really high, not the way I normally do in my previous looks. So it's a very small amount. So I was digging through my collection. Like you guys know, I'm trying to use up products that I have, and I came across my Urban Decay palette. I don't even know what this one is called. So it looks like this. It's a really old palette, and it's so messy, but I want to go in with this light blue right here, and I'm just taking a flat brush and I want to really pack this color onto my lids. Going back in with my blending brush, I'm just going to gently buff the edges. I'm going to go in with a MAC highlighter. This is in Soft and Gentle, and I'm just taking a small brush and I'm going to apply this into my inner tear duct. Now, using whatever's left on the brush, there's still a good amount. I'm just going to apply a very small amount onto my brow bone. I'm going to do my eyeliner. After my eyeliner is on, I'm going to go in with my NYX Glitter. This is the GLI 06. Hopefully you can see it. And I'm going to use the NYX Glitter Primer. Okay. Oh, it's like in there. So it's broken, but I'm going to still use it. Hopefully it's not dried up. And oh, this is annoying. Go in with a flat brush, and I'm adding a very small amount. I don't want this product to be too wet, but I just want to saturate my brush and just slowly pat this on top of the eyeshadow. The other side, so I'm putting the glue on with one side, and then the other side I'm going to dip in with the glitter. I always recommend doing the eyeliner first, so at least that way, because this is a chunkier glitter, it'll be really hard to apply eyeliner on top of it, and then that way you can maneuver around the eyeliner. As you can see, I added a lot of glitter onto this lid, and I added a little less glitter on this side. For those of you who really like glitter and just really want to apply it everywhere and just really heavy, this is a side for you. Personally, me, I love glitter, but I really like the way this side looks. I'm just going to leave it as is so you can see what they both look like. Lower lash line time, we are going in with a little bit more of that blue. In case I didn't tell you what it was called, it is Shattered. I'm really just going to work this onto the lower lash line. So now I'm going to add a little bit of white into my waterline. Going back in with Shattered. Going in with the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit for my highlight. And I think I want to go in with Gumdrop and Starburst. So I highlighted my nose with the same two colors. Going in with Tarte Paaarty. Just want a very light wash of blush. I can't find the lipstick I was looking for, so I'm gonna try to make this work. Going in with MAC's Stripdown, Saint Germain, and then I added a little bit of Fenty Glossbomb. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this Winter Wonderland inspired looking makeup. I don't know, I really like the way it came out. It was really easy like you saw. And yeah, that concludes the end of this video, and I will see you in my next one.